Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to engage with Berify NFC using your iPhones and Android phones. What is NFC? NFC, or Near Field Communication, is a short-range wireless technology that enables seamless communication between devices when they're in close proximity. It's the magic behind contactless payments, sharing files, and interacting with physical objects. Now that you know what NFC is, how can we use Berify NFC with our iPhones and Android phones? I'll be showing you a demonstration with using an iPhone and an Android phone. Unfortunately, I don't have an Android phone, but it's going to be the same concept. The only difference is the NFC reader for an Android phone will be in the center of the Android phone. The NFC reader for an iPhone will be at the top of an iPhone. Here's a vape product. Imagine this product is your product. What we did is we applied our Berify Smart Tag, which made this product smart, engaging, dynamic product. Here's an iPhone. What you want to do is engage with the Berify Smart Tag. Now that I've engaged, it opens an app clip. However, to get the full experience, you'll need the app. If you'd like to see my first video about Berify, please click here to watch.